what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello guys. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos very frequently in this channel, and if you guys are returning as a subscriber, hey guys, welcome back. Now, ever since I started Adam Lobo TV, I've always wondered how great it would be to have a wide screen monitor, as the amount of screen real estate would definitely speed up my productivity while editing videos. And when the guys from LG Malaysia reached out to me to showcase and to sponsor their new LG 38WK95C 4K monitor, I couldn't wait to get it up and running, so here's my review. Now, since this monitor is a whopping 38 inches, the box is obviously super big, and as you open up the box, you'll find the handling guide and the display quality assurance report. Then you'll see the brown LG accessories box, which contains all the necessary cables such as the power brick adapter, a 3-pin plug extension, a HDMI cable, a USB-C 3.1 cable, the DisplayPort 2.1 cable, a USB-C to USB 3.0 dongle, the cable clips to hold the cables at the back of the monitor, the owner's manual, the warranty card, and a CD which contains the owner's manual, the installation guide as well, all in a soft copy. Now, underneath the styrofoam, you'll see the VESA mount and the stand in two separate pieces where you'll need to screw it underneath to piece it together. Then you'll find the monitor covered with a layer of sheet on the body itself. There's also a plastic transparent sticker to protect the glossy finish. The monitor stand uses a VESA 100 by 100 mount, which easily clicks to the monitor, and you're all good to display the monitor on its stand. Now, starting from the build quality and design of this LG monitor, it's really slick. The body of the monitor is made of hard plastic like current monitors out right now. It has a very nice matte black finish on the screen, so you don't have any reflections even if the screen is turned off. Now, I really gotta say that I really love the white glossy finish at the back. Yep, hashtag white love. And the thin black bezels in front goes very well with the aluminum tilt stand, which is super sturdy with its ergonomic design, which curves nicely to ensure that you get maximum space when setting this monitor up on your desk. Now, the monitor's height is adjustable up to 10 centimeters, and you can also adjust the tilt from -5 to 15 degrees, so you can adjust it accordingly to what suits you the best. Now, diving deeper into the display properties, this LG monitor is an ultra-wide display. It outputs at 3840 by 1600 resolution, which is considered as a 4K UHD resolution with a 29 by 9 aspect ratio with a refresh rate of 75 Hz. The whole monitor is of course measured at 38 inches with about 37.5 inch for the screen, and it is an IPS display, not an OLED display like the LG LED screen TV, so keep that in mind. Now, the monitor also has a 1000:1 contrast ratio, 5 milliseconds of response time, and it covers 99% of the RGB color space, which makes this monitor not only great for doing accurate color correction for video editing or photo editing, but also great for consuming video content as well. And speaking of video content, it also supports high dynamic range or HDR10 technology to really enhance the dynamic range of this monitor, as the color on this monitor is really crisp. It almost feels like it's popping out of the screen, and since this is a 4K monitor, you can view all the YouTube videos at 4K resolutions very much easily. But of course, this depends on your internet speed, and with my current internet speed of only 10 megabytes per second, watching 4K 21 by 9 content on YouTube was quite a breeze. Now, going into the connectivity options, the reason why at the end of the model number has a C at the back is to indicate that this is a USB-C monitor, so there is the USB-C port. And of course, this means that you can connect your USB-C type laptops with a single cable where it also charges the laptop at the same time. Very nice. It also comes with two USB 3.0 ports, one display 1.2 port, two HDMI 2.0 input, and a 3.5 mm AUX output for headphones and the monitor power port. Now underneath the monitor you'll find an illuminated button right at the middle, and this is to turn on the screen and to go through the menu and settings where you have options like turning off the screen, changing the input and the overall settings there as well. Now personally for me, I left everything at default, which is great that I didn't have to really adjust anything out of the box. And you can easily adjust the volume of the monitor by navigating the button left or right, as there is speakers both sides underneath the monitor, and to my surprise it sounded really decent, and here's a quick sound test.
Desperately that you're right, yet to fail all the same.
Now we'll be testing the monitor probably through PS4 to really find out how the gameplay is through the HDMI 2.0 really soon, so I'll update you guys here below to let you guys know how the gameplay is on this monitor as well. And speaking of gaming, there's also a dedicated gaming mode which you can always access it through these settings as well. Now in conclusion, the LG 38WK95C 4K monitor is not a must-have, but it's definitely a great addition to your setup. It's really helped me a lot when it comes to the overall multitasking during editing my videos, where I can use the whole ultra-wide screen to edit through the Final Cut timelines easily, and writing my scripts has been super easy, where I can literally have so much space to work on, and of course consuming 4K videos on this amazing screen as well. And once again, I'd like to give a huge shout out to LG Malaysia for reaching out and of course sponsoring this monitor. And if you guys are interested on getting yourself one, I will leave a link at the description below. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know what you guys think of this super cool LG monitor at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give a thumbs up at the like button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys as usual next week.